Hello guys, I'm gonna join Star. I will join Star for now on Black Spruce. In the Philippines, it's raining. How about in your country? Please subscribe to my video and share and like my channel. Now in the Philippines, it's raining heavily because there's a storm or a typhoon coming. I don't know if it's Maymay, Typhoon Maymay. We're gonna join Star. And Keys. Hello, Keys. Hello, guys. It's only a little time because it's heavily raining up here, guys. About 3 minutes. There are many cars and motorcycles. In here, in our country, in the Philippines. I'm in Mindoro. If you want to visit Philippines and visit it. Philippines has many beautiful sceneries like the beaches like Boracay, Puerto Galera, White Beach, and this is Star. Oh no, Keys is here. I have no items. I'm gonna run. Guys, my item got lost.